Getting locked out of Facebook can happen faster than you might expect. One suspicious link, a reused password, or access to the email connected to your account can be enough to turn a normal login into a recovery problem. And when it happens, the biggest mistake is usually panic. If you're interested in learning more about Facebook security, account recovery, and related services, you can visit our website using the link in the description or pinned comment. You can submit a request for more information or ask about available services. So, how can a Facebook account actually become compromised? Sometimes it starts with phishing, a message designed to look legitimate that sends you to a fake login page. In other cases, a password may have been exposed somewhere else and reused on Facebook. An attacker may also target the email account connected to Facebook because controlling that email can make account recovery much more difficult. There are warning signs worth paying attention to. You might receive a password reset request you didn't make, notice a login from an unfamiliar location or device, find messages you never sent, or discover that your account information has been changed. If you notice any of these signs, act quickly. Start by securing the email account connected to Facebook. Then use Facebook's official recovery process and follow the verification steps provided. Once you regain access, change your password to something unique and enable two-factor authentication. Check your active sessions and remove devices you don't recognize. Review your email address, phone number, connected applications, posts, and messages for anything you didn't authorize. And here's something extremely important. Be careful with people who promise guaranteed Facebook recovery if you give them your password, verification code, or account credentials. Those details are private and should never be handed to strangers simply because they claim to be able to recover your account. If you're unable to recover the account through the normal process, use Facebook's official support and recovery options and provide accurate information when requested. If you'd like more information about Facebook recovery, account security, or related services, visit our website through the link in the description or pinned comment and submit a request. Whether your account was actually compromised or you're simply having trouble logging in, the right approach is the same. Stay calm, protect your connected accounts, use legitimate recovery methods, and strengthen your security afterward. Because recovering your Facebook account isn't just about getting back into the app. It's about making sure the person controlling the account is actually you.